Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video useful or helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. Those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, so there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, and all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is a acupuncture mat and pillow. So if you are into acupuncture and you want to stimulate that blood flow, this may be a perfect mat for you. Once you order it, it's going to come in a nice little storage bag right here. And then you're going to open it up and you're going to get the mat itself. You're going to get a optional pillow. And then they're also going to include this basically hard little kind of massage ball, if you will, which is really great for putting this on your foot and getting it kind of in that arch and just moving it around. It really helps relieve any tension and stimulate blood flow in your feet. But let's go over the mat itself, because this is the main reason to get this thing. So the mat is 26 inches by 6.5 inches, where the pillow is 15 inches by 5 3/4 inches. Okay, so both the pillow and the mat have 27 of these little spikes here, and the mat itself is about 1 inch thick, and it is just a breathable foam that is in here via Velcro. So you can open this up and replace this if you need to, or swap it out. It also makes it super easy to clean this by just removing that foam. So like I said, an acupuncture mat is, the idea behind it is to kind of, you lay on it and it stimulates blood flow to the areas, which is supposed to release toxins and kind of just make you release that tension and that kind of stuff. It's very important that after you do this, that you want to make sure you drink a lot of water, so that way you're flushing out those toxins. But if you've never used an acupuncture mat before, essentially you're just going to lay on this. You're going to want to lay on it for maybe about, I would say, 10 to 20 minutes, and that's going to really get that blood flowing back there, wherever you're in your back, or if you're using it on your legs or whatnot. And you may also notice that it may be a little kind of hard when you're laid on it at first. You will build up kind of tolerance to that over time, but if it is a little sensitive to you, you can either shorten the time or maybe put in a little protective cloth to kind of dampen down the little spiky parts here, which will help with that aspect of it. But another thing that you could actually, because this mat is flat, now I don't really use it for that, I just kind of like to lay on it, but you could put this on the back of a chair and then lean against it. So if you have trouble laying down on the ground or something like that, that is an option for you. You can put it in a chair and kind of lean back against it. But yeah, so that is basically the ins and outs of this little guy. So if you are into acupuncture, or you wanted to try acupuncture, this is a great little starter mat and pillow set for you, where it has a lot of these little spikes here, and it gives you that simulation of stimulating that blood flow and releasing those toxins. Just remember to drink a lot of water to flush all that out of your system. If there was something I didn't cover, that question that you may have, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.